Hi, I'm Luca, and welcome to this episode of Do It Right, Dynamic Hydronic Balancing. Today, I'd like to explain to you the difference between dynamic valves and standard control valves. In the last episode, we discussed why you should balance a hydronic system. And today, we look at two ways to do balancing. To start the comparison, let's take a system designed with standard control valves. In order to select and size the right product, you must first determine design flow rates and calculate the pressure losses across the whole hydronic network. Once done, a valve type, size, and proper flow coefficient must be determined. And this can be done by using your calculator, a spreadsheet, or even the slide ruler from Siemens. And after that, you need to make sure that the selected valve has sufficient control authority for the job. Then, you also need to calculate and select a manual balancing valve for this coil. And you have to repeat this process for all coils and commission the whole system by manually adjusting the position of all balancing valves. The disadvantages of these options are the complex upfront calculations and the large amount of manual work required in the field. The two actions required carry a high potential for error. In many cases, the system isn't balanced at all because of the high workload required. And even once you've done that, the system is only statically balanced, which means that as soon as your hydronic distribution network operates at part load, the system is no longer balanced and runs inefficiently. And this leads to high costs and energy consumptions that could be avoided. Also, the room's comfort is affected because pressure fluctuations have an impact on the room's temperature. As you can see, this option is far from optimal. The second and better option is to use dynamic valves, such as PICVs or intelligent valves. And in this case, there's no need for complex calculations. Only the volumetric flow determines which valve must be used. And the PICV app from Siemens calculates the flow for you and guides you to the best valve actuator combination. And you also don't need any additional flow regulating or balancing valves, which means less installation effort. On-site commissioning is extremely simple thanks to the easy max flow presetting and automatic balancing. And this is possible because dynamic valves ensure balanced water flow rates under all load conditions, thereby eliminating any impact of fluctuations in the room temperature. This way, dynamic valves allow for energy savings of up to 30% with no sacrifice of comfort. In other words, dynamic balancing is the right way of doing balancing. In the next episode, I'm going to explain how digitalization is impacting dynamic hydronic balancing. Thank you for watching. Do it right, dynamic hydronic balancing.